Google Chrome is one of the most popular web browsers globally, known for its speed, simplicity, and reliability. With millions of users accessing the Internet through Chrome, it continues to dominate the browser market. Among the various installation options available for Chrome, the Chrome MSI, Microsoft Installer, remains a critical and essential choice for many users and organizations. In this article, we explore why Chrome MSI is still important and how it continues to play a significant role in web browsing. Advanced customization options. Chrome MSI offers advanced customization options that allow users and IT administrators to tailor the browser's installation according to their specific needs. Unlike the standard X installer, Chrome MSI permits silent installations, where users don't need to interact with the setup process. IT administrators can deploy Chrome across multiple devices in a seamless and automated manner, saving time and effort. Streamlined updates. One of the key advantages of Chrome MSI is its ability to provide automatic updates. Chrome regularly releases security patches, bug fixes, and feature updates to enhance the user experience and maintain security. Chrome MSI ensures that these updates are automatically installed, ensuring that users always have the latest version of the browser without any manual intervention. Enterprise deployment. For businesses and organizations, Chrome MSI is especially important. The silent installation feature allows IT administrators to deploy Chrome efficiently to multiple machines, ensuring uniformity and consistency across the network. Additionally, Chrome's enterprise policies provide IT administrators with granular control over browser settings and configurations, enabling better management and security. Enhanced security. Chrome is renowned for its strong security features, and Chrome MSI ensures that users can benefit from these security measures without any compromises. Automatic updates keep the browser up to date with the latest security patches, protecting users from vulnerabilities and threats. Stability and performance. Chrome MSI contributes to a stable and high-performance browsing experience. With regular updates, users receive bug fixes and performance optimizations, resulting in smoother web browsing and reduced crashes or glitches. Compatibility and flexibility. Chrome MSI is compatible with various Windows operating systems, making it accessible to a broad range of users. Whether you're running Windows 7, 8, 10, or Windows Server editions, Chrome MSI is designed to seamlessly integrate with different environments. Offline installation. Another essential aspect of Chrome MSI is its ability to support offline installations. Users can download the MSI installer package once and install Chrome on multiple devices without the need for repeated Internet access. This feature is particularly beneficial in environments with limited or restricted Internet connectivity. In conclusion, Chrome MSI remains an essential and vital installation option for Google Chrome. Its advanced customization options, streamlined updates, and compatibility with various Windows operating systems make it an ideal choice for both individual users and organizations. The seamless deployment capabilities and enhanced security measures provided by Chrome MSI ensure a reliable and efficient web browsing experience for millions of users worldwide. As long as Google Chrome continues to be a dominant force in the browser market, Chrome MSI will remain relevant and important, serving as a valuable tool for optimizing web browsing on Windows devices.